Hello guys, and welcome to your 11th Roblox Lewis scripting tutorial. In this tutorial I'm going to be going over events, and I also believe I'm going to be going over event arguments. I just want to say that you need to go watch the 9th tutorial to understand any of this tutorial. So let's open up a script, and I'm going to delete that. So insert a part into workspace and put that script into that part. So script.parent is part dot touched. Alright, let's stop right here. So touched is the actual event. If you want to see all the events, go to help, object browser, and select the part and touched. So that would do what you expect it to do. Whenever script parent, which is part, whenever the part gets touched, it's going to connect to the function and then put parentheses for arguments, event arguments. And what this function does is it prints test. End it with a ending parentheses. If you don't, it's going to error. You have to end it with an ending parentheses because you have these two which end each other, but there's no ending for that. So if you don't put that there, it's basically saying there's no ending for that, and it's going to error. So what this all is doing is whenever script's parent gets touched, it's going to print, "Hi, I have explained this in the 9th tutorial. I just didn't feel like I explained events well enough." So let's get on to event arguments. So in the past tutorials I say put parentheses for your arguments. Well, now I'm going to explain what that is. Well, I'm going to explain what event arguments are anyways. So to find what the event argument is, you're going to select the event and touched instance other part. So inside the parentheses it says instance other part. So that means the other part that touched the brick. So whatever is up here is going to basically be like a variable saying what's the other part that touched the brick. So I'm just going to put part because that's what I usually put. I'm sorry. So this is the other part that touches this brick. So let's edit that part's properties. So let's say part dot transparency equals 1. So that's going to make whatever the part you touch it change its transparency to equal 1. So let's go ahead and test this out. Sorry it takes forever because I'm recording it. Alright, as you can see it has loaded. And let's think about this. What do you guys think will happen whenever I touch it? Whenever I touch this part? Well, my legs go totally invisible because both of my legs touched it. Now if I can make my arm touch it, which I can't, hold on. My arm goes invisible. It doesn't delete it because it's still right there. Left leg, right arm, it's all still there, you just can't see it. Same with all of this. And it's a cool way, I guess, to make your body fully invisible. And now I'm invisible except for my face. That's a example of event arguments. They're very, very helpful. Yeah, there's not really much else I can do to this. Let's call a whatever it's called. I'm sorry, I just forgot. So let's just do destroy. And let's test this out. Now this would actually destroy the part that touched it, of course. So yeah. There's a whole lot of things you can play around with event arguments. They're really fun, and they help you out a lot. And will it destroy my leg? Yeah. And the difference between transparency is it actually destroys it. That's why I'm walking on the torso. Let's see if I can get all my body parts off. Alright, I don't know how I'm still alive. Let's die. That's another thing. If you delete your torso, you die automatically. But that's basically all. Print test. Okay, so this is going to destroy a part, the part that touched the brick, and then it's going to print test. Yeah. So that's really basically it for this tutorial, guys. Give me ideas for the next how-to video. I think I'm going to do a leaderboard because I've gotten, my friend has asked me to do that. So I'm going ahead and do that. So, if you guys could, please join Lua Coders. It'd help us out. But, yeah, that's it, guys. Bye.